before I show you my setup of how I have it situated for my rabbit to use his potty pan or container, or what I like to call just a litter box. A rabbit needs at least a lot of different room to move and not trapped in a cage like how a lot of people like to do with their animals. Like, rabbits are just like cats and dogs. They like room to wander and move about, and usually they'll be stressed out, and that may be one of the reasons why your rabbit may not be going into the pan if you have it set up into a cage area. So before I show you my setup where I have it outside the cage, because I typically, between the people I know that have rabbits, they don't have very good results with having it inside the cage. Usually they'll go beside it if it's not inside the cage. So here you'll see in this video here how I have it out on the floor and to right beside the cat's litter boxes, and he has easy access to it and he's able to roam freely. Now this is what I would suggest you do with your rabbit, is to gate off the area of the room, which I have special gates built into the house, so pretty much he can just freely roam all night and day and use the bathroom. He'll go right out of his cage and into his pan at night, and then back into his cage at night when he wants to go in. I know some of you may not be able to do it the same way I do, so I would suggest putting hay inside the pan litter, not anything else. No shreds of paper, nothing like that. They usually don't like that. I've tried the pellets, I've tried what you call the brown little pieces of paper that come in like the big packs, and he doesn't really care for it because he don't like to step on to the pellets, and the paper he don't really care for. So putting just hay into the bottom of the litter box, then he'll have something to eat, because the rabbits like to eat while they go to the bathrooms. Having it filled with nothing but hay, then he'll go in it quicker and more often than accidents on the floor, which happen every so often, but usually he'll, as long as it's cleaned every 2 days, he'll continue to use it as normal. So I usually have 2 litter pans set up for him, so it could extend a few more days, or I could just take one and clean it and have the other one open and for him at all uses the whole time. So that's my simple guide to getting rabbit to use a litter pan. If you've seen my other animals, how I get them to use a bathroom, litter pans, you know, a pretty foolproof guide to getting animals to go and